Hello, I'm Professor Philip Pace here, and I'll be your instructor for music appreciation. By the way, if you don't see me with my coffee, you know something is definitely wrong. I wanted to take a few minutes to give you an overview of how I have set up our Canvas page so that you know how to navigate our course and not get into too much trouble. Every instructor sets up their Canvas pages a little bit differently, so I wanted to show you how we do ours. When you log into your Canvas dashboard and you click on our music class 50146, this is the page that you're going to see. It's basically our class schedule for the entire semester. And if I scroll down, you'll see week by week what we have in store. So you will always know what's coming up and what you should be ready for. Now it's very easy. You just have to click the links that I have set up. First of all, I've got some quick links here to the course syllabus, which is a very detailed syllabus with different sections that you will see for all of the different areas that need to be covered. For example, textbook and supplies. If you click that, you will get all of the information about our textbook and what supplies you will need to be successful in the class. Let's go back to the home page here though, and I'll show you how the navigation works. Oh, first of all, you should view the Canvas overview video for students. Even if you've taken an online course before, and even if you've taken a Canvas course, it might be a good refresher for you. It's less than 7 minutes in length, so it won't take up too much of your time. Well, let's say you're ready to go and you're ready to jump in. I would click the link for week 1. I'm going to do that right now. And this will take you directly to the module navigation. So in this week, we start with the syllabus. I want to make sure that you viewed the syllabus. And also a discussion group that's available. Somebody please help me. If I were to click that, then I would get this discussion group. And I really would like you to post your questions to this discussion group so that everyone in the class may benefit from learning about your answer. It might save me some time in not having to answer questions multiple times. I'm going to go ahead and click the back button on my browser, as that will take me back to our module navigation. Now when I'm done here, I click next and it goes on to the next thing. Again, another reminder about the Canvas overview video that you can watch, and I continue on. Information about the textbook. I continue. Information about the electronic book access. You will definitely want to make use of that. I'll continue on. And now I get into the actual material. If I open our playlist and log into my account, it will take me directly to the playlist with all of the songs that are available for listening examples. If I continue next, it will give us a study plan for this first chapter. I continue on. Total access is how you get access to this entire website. I continue on. There's a link again to total access. So some information is duplicated just to make sure that you are clear on what you need to do. Here's one. We need to look at the instruments that we're going to be studying. So this gives you an overview: strings, woodwinds, brass, keyboard, and percussion, for example. I can continue on, and this continues to go through all of our module. Now, if you want to see what a module looks like, you can click on modules, and you will see a breakdown in what we just went through. So I can look down here on week 1 and start to see what I'm going to need to do for the various assignments. So for example, here's an outline for the first section. I can go to the electronic book if I've bought the $50 access to the online materials. Next, I have access to flashcards from the publisher's website that will help you in learning about the material. And then finally a chapter quiz at the end of each section. You will need to do all of these quizzes, even the ungraded ones, and they will be available for you to refer back to when we get ready to study for the exams. So these are very important for you. So that's a quick overview on how I have set up my Canvas page for our class. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, but I do encourage you to use the Somebody Please Help Me discussion group. I hope you enjoy our journey through music history and learning about the evolution of music. Take care.